Hello everyone, please like the video and let's start a new series. Morning. Emma, Alex, and Sam are driving away from the old house.
Did you see that man behind us?
Yeah, I saw him.
I saw him too. Who is he?
I have no idea. Have either of you seen him before?
No, I don't think so.
Maybe he needs help. He looks like he's trying to find his way somewhere.
Maybe we should stop and ask him.
I was thinking the same thing.
He could be lost.
Just like we were.
Exactly.
They look through the rear window.
He's walking really slowly.
Should we stop the car?
Yeah, let's slow down and see what he wants.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
If he's lost, we shouldn't just leave him there.
Fair enough.
I'm slowing down now.
Sam slows the car.
Wait,
What is it?
he's gone.
What do you mean gone?
Look behind us. I can't see him anymore.
They look at the road behind them.
You're right. He's not there.
Maybe he turned into the forest.
There wasn't a road there.
Maybe he stepped behind the trees.
Maybe let's just keep going.
Wait, there he is.
Where?
Up ahead. Look!
A man suddenly appears farther ahead on the road.
What? How did he get in front of us?
I honestly don't know.
He was behind us a second ago.
And now he's standing in front of the car.
Sam stops the car. The man slowly walks toward them.
Are you three going to Green Lake?
Emma looks at Sam.
How does he know where we're going?
I don't know. Just answer him. Yes, we're heading to Green Lake.
Then you shouldn't take this road.
Why not? Is there something wrong with it?
The road is closed.
Closed? Since when?
There was a landslide last night. The road isn't safe anymore.
We were there last night.
I know.
Wait, you know?
I saw your car.
Where did you see us?
Near the old house.
Silence.
Hold on. You were there?
Yes, but I wasn't inside the house.
Then where were you?
I was standing on the road.
That's strange. We never saw you.
You were probably too busy watching the house.
That's a pretty strange thing to say.
This forest is a strange place.
Okay, what's your name?
Ben,
I'm Sam.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
nice to meet you.
A short silence.
Do you still have the map?
What map?
The old map.
Everyone becomes quiet.
Wait, how do you know we have a map?
Because I've seen one like it before.
Where?
A long time ago.
Sam takes the old map from the car.
Is this the map you're talking about?
Ben looks at it carefully.
Yes, that's the one.
Where did you see it before?
In a cabin.
What cabin?
An old cabin near Green Lake.
There are cabins around Green Lake?
There used to be several. Most of them are abandoned now.
Can you take us to the one you saw?
Maybe.
We need to reach Green Lake first anyway.
You don't understand. Getting to the lake isn't the real problem.
Then what is?
This map doesn't show the normal road.
What does it show?
Another road.
Ben points to a marked path on the map.
This one.
The North Road.
Yes, that's the one.
The old man warned us about that road. He told us to stay away from it.
He was right.
Then why would anyone put it on a map?
Because someone wanted people to find it.
Do you know who?
No, I don't know who made the map.
But you said you've seen it before.
I have.
How long ago?
Many years ago.
How many years?
I don't remember exactly.
That's not exactly a very useful answer.
I know.
So, are you lost too?
Yes,
How long have you been lost out here?
2 days.
2 days? You've been in this forest for 2 days?
Yes, this time.
This time, what do you mean by that?
I was here many years ago too.
Do you have a phone? Maybe you could call someone.
I have a phone, but there's no signal out here.
Same problem we've had.
Then where have you been staying?
I haven't really been staying anywhere.
You mean you've just been sleeping outside?
Yes, when I get tired, I sleep wherever I can.
In the forest?
Sometimes.
That's not safe, Ben.
I know, but I don't have many choices.
Why don't you just go back the way you came?
I tried.
And what happened?
I always came back here.
Back here? You mean back to the lake?
Yes, every road I take seems to lead me back to the lake.
Silence.
That doesn't make any sense.
I know.
Then what are you looking for?
A cabin.
The same cabin you told us about?
Yes,
Why is that cabin so important?
because someone left something there.
What did they leave?
A notebook.
Whose notebook?
It belonged to another traveler.
Do you know when he left it?
Years ago.
Do you know if he's still alive?
No, I don't.
At least you know his name?
No,
Then how do you know any of this?
because I found a copy of his map.
They continue walking with Ben.
You said the North Road was dangerous. What exactly is dangerous about it?
There are things there that we shouldn't get close to.
What kind of things? Wild animals?
Maybe.
People?
Maybe them too.
Okay, that's not very reassuring.
I'm not trying to scare you.
Then what are you trying to tell us?
I'm saying we should stay together.
That sounds like a good idea to me.
Agreed. Nobody walks off alone.
They walk through the forest.
How much farther until the lake?
About an hour.
An hour? You sound very sure this time.
Maybe an hour.
Or maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Your maybe is starting to sound worse than Sam's.
Hey, what did I do?
Alex, leave him alone.
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
They hear a sound in the trees.
Wait, stop for a second.
What happened?
Did you hear that?
Yes.
What was it?
I don't know.
Another sound comes from the trees.
No, something is definitely over there.
Stay close to us.
Don't move.
They stop. Silence.
I really don't like this.
Neither do I.
It could just be an animal.
Maybe.
A bird suddenly flies out of the trees.
Ah,
Alex!
I know.
Relax. It was only a bird.
I knew it was a bird.
No, you didn't.
They laugh quietly.
Fine. I definitely did not know.
They continue walking.
Wait a second.
What did you see?
Look at the ground.
There are footprints in the mud. Fresh footprints appear in the mud.
Someone was here.
Do they look fresh?
Yes. Very fresh.
Are they yours?
No, they're not.
There are a lot of them.
Maybe there are other hikers in the area.
No.
How can you be so sure?
Look carefully.
Ben points at the footprints.
They only go one way.
What do you mean?
They go into the forest, but there are no footprints coming back.
You're right.
Silence.
Maybe they took another road.
There isn't another road here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I know this area.
Let's not stand here. We should keep moving.
They follow the footprints for a short time.
Ben, look.
What is it?
There are even more footprints.
I see them.
And they stop right here.
The footprints suddenly end.
Okay, that's strange.
Very strange.
Could the person have gotten into a car?
There is no car anywhere nearby.
Then where did they go?
Nobody answers.
Can you tell which direction they were heading?
North.
Toward the tower?
Yes, toward the tower.
They walk farther into the forest.
Wait, look over there.
What did you find?
There's a sign.
An old wooden sign stands between the trees.
Can you read it?
Let me see.
Sam wipes the dirt from the sign.
It says Green Lake.
Good. So we're getting close.
Wait. There's another word underneath it.
What does it say?
They clean more dirt from the sign.
Tower.
Old tower?
Yes. That's what it says.
We shouldn't go there,
Why not?
because the tower isn't safe.
The old man told us it wasn't dangerous.
Then he was wrong.
Have you actually been there?
Yes,
When?
yesterday.
You went to the tower yesterday?
Yep,
Then what did you see?
nothing.
Nothing? Then why are you so worried about it?
I'm not worried.
Ben, you definitely look worried.
I'm not scared. I'm just being careful.
What's inside the tower?
An old radio.
A radio? That's it?
An old radio.
Does it still work?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? When does it work?
Usually at night.
And what does it do?
It calls people.
What do you mean calls people?
Sometimes it calls them by name.
Silence. Learning English. Try Fly Talk Eye and practice speaking every day. A strange sound comes from somewhere in the forest.
Did you hear that?
Yes. I heard it.
What was that?
We need to go.
Go where?
Anywhere. Just not here.
Ben, slow down. What is happening?
Now,
They start walking quickly.
Why are we suddenly running?
because someone is following us.
Someone? Did you actually see someone?
No,
Then how do you know we're being followed?
I heard them.
A branch breaks behind them.
There! Did you hear that?
Keep walking. Don't turn around.
Why not? What if it's someone we know?
Just keep moving.
Another sound comes from behind them.
It's getting closer.
Faster.
Ben, stop!
Ben stops.
What is it?
Listen.
Silence.
I don't hear anything.
Exactly.
Exactly what?
It stopped.
Maybe it left us alone.
No,
How do you know?
because it always stops when we stop.
Everyone stays quiet. They walk deeper into the forest.
Wait. I can see something through the trees.
What is it?
It looks like a house.
That's the cabin.
The cabin you've been looking for?
Yes.
An old cabin appears between the trees.
Does anyone live here?
No, not anymore.
How do you know?
Look at the door.
The door is broken.
Yeah, this place has been empty for a long time.
That's what I thought.
Then why were you so determined to find it?
Because the notebook should be inside.
Then let's go in and find it.
Wait,
What is it?
I was here yesterday.
And
The door was closed.
But it's open now.
Exactly.
Silence.
Maybe the wind opened it.
There isn't any wind.
They look around. The forest is completely still.
I really don't like this place.
Stay close. We're going in together.
They slowly enter. Inside the cabin, it is dark.
Use the flashlight. We can't see anything.
I've got it.
Wait. Look at the table.
An old notebook lies on the table.
That's it.
That's the notebook.
Yes, that's the one I've been looking for.
How long do you think it's been sitting here?
I honestly don't know.
Then open it.
You open it.
Why am I the one?
Because you found it.
Fine, I'll do it.
Alex opens the notebook.
There's nothing here.
Nothing at all?
Almost nothing.
Turn the next page.
Wait, there is some writing here.
What does it say?
If you find this,
Keep going.
do not go to the tower.
Everyone becomes quiet.
What? That's it?
Turn the page.
There's another sentence.
Read it.
The light is not a light.
What does that even mean?
I have no idea.
There should be more.
Yes. Here. If you hear your name,
Alex stops.
What? Why did you stop?
that's all that's written on this page.
Wait. There's another page.
It's stuck.
Try turning it carefully.
Alex slowly opens the page.
Oh,
What is it?
there's a map.
Is that the old tower?
And Green Lake.
There's something else at the bottom.
What?
Look carefully.
It says, tomorrow night.
A short silence. A loud crack comes from outside.
What was that?
I don't know. It sounded like something hit the cabin.
Wait, look at the door.
The cabin door slowly moves.
Don't open it.
Nobody's opening it.
Silence.
Wait.
What?
Did you hear that?
A faint voice comes from outside.
Emma.
Everyone freezes.
Did someone just say your name?
Yes.
Could it have been you? Maybe you said something without realizing it.
No, that wasn't me.
Don't answer.
Emma.
That's definitely your name.
I know.
The voice becomes quieter.
Who is out there?
I don't know.
How does it know my name?
Silence.
Alex.
No,
It just said your name.
I heard it.
Sam.
Sam looks terrified.
Okay. We're leaving. Right now.
Yes, now.
They run out of the cabin and into the forest.
Where's the road? Which way did we come from?
This way. Just keep moving.
Wait,
What?
Ben.
They turn around.
Where is he?
He was right behind us.
Ben.
Ben!
No answer.
He was there a second ago.
Maybe he took another path.
There is only one path here.
They look around.
Wait, look at that.
What?
His backpack.
Ben's backpack is lying in the middle of the path.
He wouldn't just leave his backpack here.
Ben!
No answer.
We can't stay here. Come on.
We're really leaving without him?
We don't even know where he went.
We need to get back to the car first, then we can figure out what to do.
They start walking. Emma suddenly stops.
Sam,
What?
look at the ground.
There are footprints.
Are those Ben's?
Maybe.
They go toward the lake.
Then maybe he went that way. We should follow them.
Wait. Come here.
What is it?
Look closely at the footprints.
The footprints continue toward the lake.
What are you seeing?
These aren't Ben's footprints.
How can you tell?
Ben was wearing boots.
And these footprints?
They're bare feet.
Silence. A distant sound comes from the direction of the lake.
What was that?
We're going back to the car.
Agreed.
They turn around.
Wait,
What now?
look at the backpack.
What about it?
It wasn't that far away before.
What are you talking about?
They look back. The backpack is gone.
It's gone.
What?
It was right there.
I know. I saw it too.
Let's just go.
They run. They reach the car.
Get in now.
Go faster.
Wait, where's the map?
What?
The old map. Where do we put it?
It's gone.
What do you mean, gone?
It was here a minute ago.
So, someone took it.
Sam starts the car.
Sam!
What?
Look at the road.
Far away, a person is standing in the middle of the road.
Is that Ben?
I can't tell from here.
He's looking straight at us.
The person slowly raises one hand.
Don't drive any closer.
I wasn't planning to.
The person suddenly turns and walks into the forest.
That's impossible.
What is?
That's the same direction the footprints were going.
We're leaving.
He starts driving. The figure disappears into the forest. They thought Ben was just a lost hiker, but now they had no idea where he was or who had been calling their names. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't miss the next episode, Day 5, The Hidden Waterfall.